In my role at ATS, I have the privilege of meeting with many customers and clients in many different industries. What's interesting to me is that the conversations around Industry 4.0 have expanded probably tenfold since the beginning of the year. What they all tell us is they all want us to try to help them identify failures before they happen. And this preserves the reliability of the equipment and it helps them achieve their production goals. For example, we actually had one client with a paint line operation. We identified a problem with one of their critical motors. Further research showed that we were going to lose a bearing in this motor. We called the OEM, looked for replacement. They said it was going to be 8 weeks out. So we ordered the motor, got it in, received it, and actually planned the paint line to go down and saved the customer 8 weeks of downtime. And instead of rushing a motor in, trying to get it there, we're able to get the paint line up and running with no disruption to their business, with a return on investment for them of about $100,000 in downtime savings. So for us, it was a great win to show off how our services with machine health monitoring works. And for the customer, did not interrupt or disrupt their business, and they were able to ship the products to their customers on time.